So, ngicela nihambe niyobuka le video ka-Janus Wallace esidelela ethi kuproven ukuthi abelungu bakwazi ukurun i-country while kuproven futhi ukuthi abantu abamnyama bakwazi ukurun i-country. And it's sad ukuthi kunama-South Africans nama-Africans avumelana naye kule nto ayishoyo. It's really, really sad. It just shows you how much people don't know about politics and don't know about la esisuka khona, not as a country, but even as Africa. So I'll tell you this. There were great civilizations before Ondlebe Kanyilanga beze bazi nanokuthi yini civilization. These people were barbaric. Bebephila impilo a way less than lodoti ophilo abantu njengamanje ngoba behlupheka and bona as an entire nation bebephila kanjalo. Okwesibili engifuna ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi we had our guard down ngesikhathi bethatha ama-governing systems wethu bewabulala and installing awabo ama-governing systems. So you need to know and understand ukuthi laba bantu abavelanga nje baqhamuka ne-system esi-pitch perfect bazoyi-installa labathi no, we won't mess up ini yenu because already nina messed up. Basifica siyiranela izinto zethu ngendlela yethu, not knowing anything about rape, not knowing anything about ama-crimes amaningi namhlanje aqhamuke with their systems. And nina nizovumelana nabo nisitshela ukuthi these people can run countries when we can't. Basithola sirana ama-systems are perfect, bafika bazosilwisa and slowly installed ama-systems wabo and found ways to open up ama-gaps wokuthi kugcine kudingeka ukuthi ku-install ama-systems abo. They didn't do this in a righteous way or in a way that bebehalela ukusiza bebona ukuthi ama-Africans ayidinga le system. No, they had to take down our governing systems no matter how well they worked. Uzokutshela ngisho nalokuzana nama-missionary lawathunyelwa okuqala ukuthi these people were operating so well that we in order to break yonke lento yabo, we had to break them from the core, from their belief systems, from their religion, from their culture, from everything, in order to install our own systems of governance group. So leyo nto into eningayazi nina as Africans nizovumelana no Janus Wallace, a clear racist owasho ukuthi wabulala uChris Hani ngoba nakho a driver ama racist agendas akhe, a driver now kuba nje generally racist ukuthi uyamzonda vele. That's why he took the job in the first place. So understand futhi okunye ukuthi the African way of life is anti-capitalist, and capitalism is against or anti the African way of living. So understandani ukuthi indlela ebesiphila ngayo prior to capitalism ukuthi introduce kithi, it was never a capitalist way of living. So this governance system nayo esiprone kangaka kwi-capitalism, esi-thrive nge-capitalism, iyona inkinga even in its essence kwayona leyo governance system, because we are not capitalists by nature. By nature thina siwona ama-capitalist, yabo. So yonke le adjustment eyenzekile over these years has left you all thinking ukuthi in order to thrive in this world or thrive in a democratic country, you need to become a proper capitalist, which is how we all think now in terms of business, in terms of cutting down costs, labor, and driving our profits, which is a complete opposite way of living compared to what we used to do ngekhathi bengakafika ama-capitalist. So nalokho futhi kumele uku-understand ukuthi kuneyayo i-impact in how we end up governing our countries. Okunye futhi understandani ukuthi the current governing systems are created and monitored by agents of white monopoly capital, meaning ukuthi la ma-systems are creatwa ukuthi vele engasebenzeli umuntu omnyama. And if you still believe ukuthi leyo nto is a conspiracy theory, then I don't know, maybe you deserve ukuthi ube oppressed ngale ndlela oppressed ngayo, because you don't want to accept the truth liphambi kwamehlo akho. These systems were created to oppress the black person. That is why so many governing systems are failing in Africa. That is why so many governments are failing. And when they get that one person ongeke ezedlale by their rules, they kill him, because they know ukuthi lowo muntu uzo emancipate bonke abantu babo. Yabo. So that too. And also, there were huge amounts of money that were paid and are still being paid to black politicians so they can carry on with ama interest wama oppressors nama objectives wabo. So not only these people did they create a system yokuthi sihluleke ukuyirana nanokuthi governesha abantu ngendlela wrong and break yonke into yethu that we had, they also went as far as investing a lot of money ekuthenini besabotage and ensure ukuthi akekho umuntu ophathayo la eAfrica ozophatha ngokucabanga kwakhe noma ngokwe-capacity yakhe noma ngokubona iy'dingo zabantu. They all govern according to what the white, angifuni ukusho lelo gama, according to what Ondlebe Ikhanyilanga wants, the white monopoly capital. That's the word that I'm going to use. Yabo. So you can't then compare ukuthi abelungu nabantu abamnyama bawarana kanjani amazwe abo, because these Western and European countries are free and have always been free from sabotage. They're not being sabotaged by anyone. Thina ngapha we're being sabotaged each and every single time there's an elective process. But still there are black people who are going to tell you ukuthi abelungu balirana kangcono izwe. You must be some kind of FOOL. Nakhona futhi lelo gama lincane ukudescribe lento iyona. So people like Janos Wallace prevented a better chance of Africans leading and governing well by killing abantu abama key revolutionaries like Abo Chris Hani, who would have guided us better, who would have took us to our promised land, which wasn't even a promised land to begin with. It was actually where we came from. They just wanted to reinstall it, to take us back there where we can live in peace and be able ukuthi nathi siyimele and sibe strong. And this time around, if they try their bullshit, so sesi aware ukuthi laba bantu bakanje and bazofuna ukuthi benze izinto ezifana nalezi. But now it saddens ukuthi ama South Africans nama Africans asacabanga kanje. Then it definitely means ukuthi you guys are not ready for a revolution. That's the reason why you hate MK. That's the reason why you don't want to hear abantu abakhuluma izinto progressive. That's why noma ngabe kuthiwa sinibekela ama facts anjani etafuleni sikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi izwe kumele lilungiswe libe ngcono, you will always take us back to that very same ANC that is the main organization esifake kulolu tavatava esikulona namhlanje. It's sick. Anyway, iMK izoliphatha lelizwe and uJanos Wallace uzowadla lawa mazwi akhe.